Hello, my name is Annie. I'm from Topshop. Our factory is in China. Our main products are USB fan, humidifier, and heater. Today, I'd like to show you our new product, this one. It is a desk heater. It is a new model and also a private model in our factory. Firstly, you can see it. The plug is EU plug, and we also can produce US plug or UK plug. Okay, next I will show you how to turn on it. It has 3 big speeds. The first one is cold wind. The second one is warm. The third one, that will be warmer time. How to use it. The most thing I want to say is it can heat just within 2 minutes, 2 seconds. I can feel the wind is very heat. How to turn it on? Firstly we use this plug and then press this. Next, this one is cold. Next is warm. And the last one is heat. Thirdly, it has tip over protection. That means your babies or little pets kicked over this machine. The machine will shut down like this. It will stop. And you should turn it on. The sound is not very noisy. When you're sleeping or you use it in your office or classroom, it will not disturb others. If you need any questions or other specifications about this heater, you can contact me at any time. Okay, bye.